So, hey guys, welcome back, and we have set up our projector. We just took a piece of foam that we saw and then we just put it in for a weight, angle, set it up, and we have ourselves some batteries for the remote. I have 3, I just needed 2, but it will work. So let's just open this. Shouldn't take remote. And I got one, and the other one's here. Okay, so we have 2. We only need 2, as I said before. And so let's just quickly put this in. The minus like this way, I think. Did I forget how to put it? Okay, no. And this should be correct. And yeah, okay. So now if I click the on button, I think it'll work. There's this switch. So I'm gonna put this lid back in real quick. It's a bit hard to put back in. Yeah, I just messed it up already. Okay, so let's push that in. Okay, got it. And let's push this switch on. And supposedly it's on. Can you press this? Oh no, that offed it. Okay, it is turning on. Can you guys hear it? Listen closely. So I'm gonna off. Oh, and it came for a sec. It came for a sec. So it takes a second to power up. Very slow. That's a con. It's already on, and it should be coming up. Okay, it's coming on. It's coming on. Don't touch it. Okay, you guys see? So as you can see, that is not really good quality. So let's try and use the focus switch to make it better. And boom, perfect. So that's much better. So I'm gonna go turn off the lights around this room so it will make it better. As you can see, it is showing something. So I'm turning off all the lights. As you can see, the thing is gonna get a bit better. And there, the quality is much better. And let's press OK on our remote. And I'm gonna increase the volume.
Your location 24, 58, 78, 97, 100.
Hopefully you guys can hear that. So let's go down to English.
English, check. English, time zone select.
So our country.
Language English, time zone select. Ada, unchecked. Honolulu, unchecked. Denver, unchecked.
So
Phoenix, unchecked. Los Angeles, unchecked. Time zone Los Angeles, OK, button. LG Projector provides audio guidance for the visually impaired. After audio guidance is turned off, you can use the pointer of Magic Remote. Do you want to turn off audio guidance? No, yes.
Yeah, do you want to turn it off? It does not look... So our projector has been located. I think... So home, yeah, we are in home. So click OK. So that is wireless. Okay. And we're going to... So we can't show this, it's internet stuff, so keyboard is really good. It's a standard LG keyboard. Okay, something isn't working. Okay, and so the buttons are a bit sensitive, so you guys need to be a bit careful with them. It might not always press. Okay, let's go back, and I think I did it correctly. Okay, let's go to enter. It's loading. As you can see. Okay. Looks like it's taking a while. We'll pause the video here, and once it loads, we'll get this whole setup thing. Shouldn't take it shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, we'll just stop the video.